Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you are gonna learn about disk usage and also you will know about or you will learn how to get all the files which uses the disk place. So let's get started. First up, you need to open your terminal and today we are gonna learn about the tools that is DU and DF to locate or to see the disk usage. Disk usage is very necessary when you are a system administrator. It is required to maintain your servers and systems. Now we will be using the tool DU. So let's see what is DU by typing what is DU. Hit enter and here you can see it says that it estimates file space usage, meaning if you are in this directory, I am in home pentester directory. If I press DU, then it will show me all the files which uses my disk. Now we can also see the man page of DU which shows us all the commands available for DU. Go on. Now I will simply type DU and it will show me all the files available in my home bar pentester directory. Did you get it? And here you can see you could not understand this piece of junk thrown out to you. So to optimize it, you can type DU space dash S. S meaning it summarizes the output, meaning it will not show you all the files, but instead it will show you the main files or the files or the directories which has a larger data in it. Okay, if you press enter, still it will show you only the space of it or the space taken by that files. Now to see it as a human readable format, you need to type S and H. H meaning human readable format, and press space and put a star in front of it so that it can cover the current directory. Hit enter and here you can see it has showed me the directories which uses the disks. My threshold space used is by videos, that is 3 gigahertz, meaning 3 gigabytes. Now if you do not press the start, it will only show you the size, that is 19 gigabits. Okay, so we will press star in front of it. Now if you have a lots of directory in your system, you can grab the output and you can see the directories which has at least gigahertz of gigabits of space used by it. I will type G, hit enter and here you can see it has optimized it. It is showing me only the files or the directories which has more than 1 gigabytes. I was wrong. My threshold was not 3 gigabytes, it was 11 gigabytes in my downloads directory. Now here you can see it has only showed me the files which uses in my home or bar pentester directory. Now I will go to my file system and here you can see there are lots of directories in it. Here I will run my DU tool. DU meaning disk usage, SH, and I will type star and hit enter and the scanning should take place. Here showing me permission denied. You should be as a root user. I will type sudo so that it will get some permissions. Enter your password. Now there are not so much error. Some files do not have some permission to enter, so it's okay. Let it run. it is taking a while, but it's worth waiting. I will cancel the process, it is taking some time. Now here you can see it scanned much of the directories which takes the files or the space. Here you can also use, I will go to my and here I will show you another flag which can be used, that is -sh, and also you can use C, which will give you the total, meaning I will show you as a practical. Hit enter, and here you can see it showed me the total disk usage used by this directories. Do you get it? I will clear the terminal, and now let us learn about the another tool, that is df. df is used to get the files which uses the disk place. Now we can see what is df, and here you can see it reports the file system disk space usage, meaning it shows the files which uses certain disks. You will understand it when I show you the syntax of it. I will open the man page df, and here you can look out what are all the arguments to be specified for this tool. I will come out, and now I will type df, hit enter, and here you can see it showed me all the files or the important files which are mounted on certain disks or the drives. Here you can see it showed me of file system. Next it showed me used space, available space, used in percentage, and it is showing me which drive it is located. Here you can see it is located on dev, the UDV is located in dev, temp fs is located in run, and so on. Okay, did you get it? Now here also you have the human readable format, and you can specify -h, and here you can see it is both the same, but there are not so much difference, but instead it showed you in gigabytes and megabytes. That's the difference. Now here you can also specify a file system you are looking at. You can specify T to ask the file system. I will search ext4. ext4 is a file system. There are also much of file systems such as ntps, bt, rf, and so on, fat32, like that. Hit enter, and here you can see there is no file named ext4. I will search btrs. There is no file system. Do I have fat32? There is no file system with this file system. So that's okay, guys. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something in this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.